this. We finna show y'all how to do these tools. So, yeah.
Here we have the voltage tester. When it beeps, that means the outlet is working. Here we have the wire strip. It strips the wire. We have a multimeter, and when it beeps, that means it's connecting to the snips. We have plier twisters. That's a multimeter again, testing the battery voltage, the wire voltage. Here is the outlet tester. When the two orange lights come on, that means the outlet works. Here's the battery tester. Test the voltage in the battery. Here's the hacksaw. It cuts.
We too loud.
The pipe cutters cuts precisely. My name Darius. This is Mr. Longacre Project. We completed and we done.